What types of tests does your CDV offer to improve the quality of my products?
A vacuum chamber, like our CDV model, allows you to perform two types of tests. The first test is for leak detection, ensuring that your packages or containers are perfectly sealed and free from leaks. The second test simulates atmospheric pressure variations caused by changes in altitude during transportation. Additionally, there might be cases where the altitude of the point of sale differs from the manufacturing location, causing stress on the product packaging due to pressure differences. With your CDV vacuum chamber, you can match the atmospheric pressure of your sales points and validate the behavior of your product under these conditions.
I'm not sure to understand. How does a vacuum chamber allow us to perform these tests? Could you explain it to me?
Of course. During the leak detection test, the packaged product is placed inside the vacuum chamber. The idea is to reduce the air pressure inside the chamber, creating a pressure difference between the inside of the package and the external environment. This pressure difference visually highlights any hermeticity issues. Depending on the type of package and the product content, different methods can be used, such as the dry test, the immersion test, or the blue dye method. One of the advantages of these methods is that they allow you to precisely identify the location of the leak, enabling you to take corrective measures to prevent it from happening again.
This sounds very interesting. Thank you for the explanation. In fact, we recently received a complaint from a distributor. They reported that a poorly sealed product had spilled, contaminating several other products in the same batch. Ultimately, they rejected the entire pallet, and we had to resend their order urgently. From what I understand so far, this incident could have been prevented if we had conducted hermeticity tests as a preventive measure.
Absolutely. Transport testing in a vacuum chamber is a reliable method to ensure that products reach consumers in perfect condition. This can help prevent incidents like the one you experienced with the distributor.
Is there a standard for this transport simulation test?
Yes, but we will cover that in the next video. For now, please register to gain access to our exclusive 20-video series and receive a comprehensive guide that summarizes all these questions and answers in PDF format.